In recent days, parts of the regions of Spain have been suffering from abnormal heat. This leads to extreme weather events in the country. Strong gusts of wind, which are formed by temperature changes, cause significant material damage. This Sunday, in the city of Gandie, province of Valencia, due to wind speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, a Ferris wheel installed near the beach fell. Fortunately, no one was hurt. This sudden sandstorm forced hundreds of holidaymakers to leave the beach who had never seen anything like it. Gusts of wind turned the sand into hot microparticles, which made it impossible to stay on the beach. Something very similar happened in the city of Albacete. A cloud of sand, like a huge sandstorm in the desert, literally engulfed the city. The locals were scared. They had never seen such a phenomenon either.